Pure Guardian humidifiers guard against problems caused by dry air, providing soothing relief for those with cold, flu, allergies, and dry skin. The Pure Guardian 10-hour humidifier uses ultrasonic technology to deliver a fine, ultra-quick mist. Unlike other humidifiers, Pure Guardian uses silver clean technology to fight the growth of mold and mildew on the surface of the water tank. Small and compact, it's perfect for travel, the office, a child's room, nursery, or bedside. Variable cool mist settings and an adjustable spout make optimizing your comfort easy. Quiet operation and an on-off nightlight ensures a restful night's sleep, while a 10-hour runtime means no refills throughout the night. An easy-to-use, one-button operation is a snap. The unit automatically shuts off if the water level is too low and features an easily removable tank for quick refills. Pure Guardian, creating a better home environment.
To get the most out of your Honeywell Mist-Mate Cool Mist Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill the water tank, remove the tank from its base using the handle. Turn the arrow towards the open lock symbol to remove the cap and fill the tank with cool water. Make sure that the black cap seal is on and secure the cap by twisting it firmly into the lock position. Set the tank back on the base. Be sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. Then, turn the power knob to the highest setting and let it run until a comfortable humidity level has been reached. Once reached, turn the control knob to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. Be sure to direct the mist output away from any walls, furniture, or bedding. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
The mighty Air Purifier is compact by design and equipped with a range of intuitive, cutting-edge features to keep your indoor air clean. The Mighty provides up to 360 square feet of coverage with a certified clean air delivery rate of 232. With a true HEPA filter efficiency rating of 99.97%, the Mighty cleans and freshens indoor air through a BAF-certified 4-stage filtration process. The washable pre-filter captures large dust, fur, and hair with its micromesh. The odor filter eliminates smaller particles, odors, and harmful gases with its activated carbon layer. Our true HEPA filter traps up to 99.97% of airborne allergens and contaminants as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen, pet dander, household dust, and tobacco smoke. Finally, the built-in Vital Ion feature boosts cleaning power and freshens the air with negative ions. The intuitive air quality indicator uses particle sensor technology to monitor indoor air quality and displays the indoor air quality in real time through 3 vivid colors. Blue indicates the air is clean. Purple indicates the air is medium polluted. Red indicates the air is highly polluted. The Mighty's smart technology enables the fan to automatically adjust the airflow speed from low to medium to high when pollutants are detected in the air. When the air quality in the room remains good for 30 minutes or more while in auto mode, the Mighty shuts off its fan and switches to eco mode, which saves energy and reduces noise for a peaceful night's sleep. The Mighty, a compact, powerful air purifier that seamlessly fits into your lifestyle. Clean better, live smarter.